I'm so excited about coaching you. Look, I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one too. I've trained everybody from Tony Braxton, Candy Burris, Malaysia Pargo, Duchess Lattimore, Mayetta Shaw, the list goes on. But it's not the people in Hollywood that get me the most excited. It's the people from your neighborhood. People like LaRon, who lost 150 pounds on this here program. People like my Milwaukee Brick, Kevia Mystic with it, who lost 50 pounds on this program. So if you're tired of your pooch, tired of your love handles, tired of your back fat, tired of all your roles, including Esther roll, look, I look forward to coaching you. I build bodies that will attract so you'll never have to chase. Small waist, big behind. Let's get you Kenyan-fied.
Hi, my name is Schwanda Solomon. I'm from Lafayette, Louisiana. I've been on Kenya Crooks program now for about 5 months. I literally was 401 pounds. I've lost 102 pounds on the program. These used to be my pants. Now look at me now, and I'm still not done yet. Have a good day.